The West Indies now face a familiar must-win situation in the three-match T20 International Series against host New Zealand after going down by 47 runs in the first match in Nelson on Friday. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Different format, but it was the same result as the West Indies once again crumbled to another disappointing loss. New Zealand first posted a challenging 187 for 7 after being sent into bat, as Glenn Phillips top scored with 55 while Colin Munro got 53. Jerome Taylor took 2 for 41 and Captain Carlos Brathwaite 2 for 38, while there was a wicket each for Samuel Badry, Kesrick Williams and Ashley Nurse. In reply, the two-time T20 World Champions were dismissed for 140 in 19 overs. Andre Fletcher top scored with 27 while Taylor and Ashley Nurse each made 20. Chris Gale got 12 and another Jamaican, Chadwick Walton, 7. Seth Rance took 3 for 30 and Tim Southey 3 for 36, as New Zealand took a 1-0 lead in the three-match series. The next game takes place on Monday. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.